Hey, I'm Dr. Joffrey. We're going to jump right into this series, Men's Health Month and Father's Day Month. Today, we're going to be talking about, we're going to do a series on erectile dysfunction. That's right, erectile dysfunction. These will be short, succinct series so we can listen to, pop in, pop out, and keep it moving. Erectile dysfunction is the most basic form. It's failure for a male to achieve or maintain an erection. There are many causes, which we'll get into in a different video. But did you know that about 52% of men experience erectile dysfunction? About 40% 40-year-olds, about 50% of those over 50 experience erectile dysfunction. About 60% of those men over 60 experience erectile dysfunction, and about 80% of men over 70. While I gave you the definition of what erectile dysfunction, the signs are multiple. Difficulty maintaining and achieving an erection. We already mentioned. Reduced sexual desire is a sign of erectile dysfunction. Soft erections, meaning blood's able to flow into it, but the erection stays soft. Or you get these intermittent erections, meaning that they just come up, but they don't come up at the time you need them. Then you get these erections that only happen as a result of specific stimuli. I'll leave that one alone. And then erections that they just don't last. It's up, and for different reasons, it just goes back down. And then emotional symptoms, feelings of embarrassment, feelings of guilt and frustration, all this can add to erectile dysfunction as well. And look, in the next video, we're going to talk about what truly causes erectile dysfunction. It goes into 3 different categories, but in the end, it's usually caused by something called endothelial damage. Be sure to follow, subscribe. Thank you for listening, and make sure you say Happy Father's Day to someone. Talk to you soon.